Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by Dutch Paper Girl. Old paper cut and scored by hand, glued meticulously. In fact, this was a bit of a disaster, this whole project, so at one point I thought, let's get rid of it. Finally, after a couple of weeks, the fox I bought is ready. I saw this pattern on the internet, and at first I thought, no, I'm not going to buy a pattern, but it kept coming back to me, so finally I bought it and I made it, but whew, that was a difficult one. Used colored paper, 160 grams. Hope you like it. Bye.